My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hey guys, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. I know it's been a while since I've made a video specifically for this channel, and today I just got done filming a Wake Up with Glama little session, a live session over there, and that's what I've been doing since I moved in. As you can see, I'm in my beauty room, but it's very sparse. I haven't put anything up. The bookshelves aren't where they're gonna be. Everything's just kind of thrown in here. I still have to put it all together. The lighting isn't that great. I'm a little bit washed out, I think. And all I have on today is moisturizer, some bronzer, and I put highlight on my cheeks, and I used the same highlighter for my eyelids, and that's it. And I have lip gloss on and eyebrows. That's it. I didn't do contouring. I didn't do hardly anything to myself. And so for the last couple days on my live events, I've been telling them that I was going to be making a short video on what I do when I want to film for this channel, my beauty channel, but haven't had time to color my gray. What do I do in between root touch-ups? So I had Adam buy me this a few months back, and so this is what I've been using. It's called L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover Up in the color dark brown. So this is what I've been using when I have to film a video and don't have time to color my hair or haven't gone to the store to buy my hair dye. And I'm gonna link a video, probably at the end of the video. You'll see a little thumbnail where you can click on that. I have one other tip for you, what to do if you don't have any of this. We all have mascara, don't we? So I did a video a couple years ago on what I do to touch up my roots. It's before I bought this, before this was on the market. I just used to use mascara, good old mascara, to touch up the roots. If you want to see me doing that, then click on the video at the end of this video, or I'll also put a link down at the bottom in the description bar. But I want to show you what I've been using lately. I love it. It's easy, it's quick. Like right now I'm gonna go to the store and look for I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree just to buy little trash cans to put in the bathrooms in different places of the house. Just some little things that I need to get because we have more bathrooms in this house than we did at the other one. And I need to buy some cleaning supplies for each of the bathrooms, so I don't have to run up and down the steps to get cleaning supplies for this bathroom when all the stuff is in the upstairs bathroom. We'll just go ahead and jump right on in, and I'll show you what I do. It comes in like 2 or 3 different colors, but it's super easy. The only thing I do want to say, this is temporary. It does wash out. I used it, I think on Friday. Today's Monday. Yeah, so it like started, it wears off like in a day or two. I will tell you though, this is just for a quick fix until you can get your hair touched up or whatever, but it does leave like a little bit of a residue on there. So I will tell you that. But when you're in a quick, fast hurry or want to hurry up and take a selfie or take pictures or make a video like I'm doing, then this is a super, super quick way to do it. So all you do is shake it, hold it about this far away, and look at that. Voila. Grays are covered. Yay! So that's what I do. And then I wait a couple seconds. I brush it through so that it doesn't, because it kind of leaves your hair a little bit hard, kind of like hairspray. So I just brush it in, brush it through. And I don't do it too perfectly just because it's just temporary. Right there in the front. And then I sometimes part my hair this way, so I'll do it over here. And voila. I'm sure you've seen these in commercials, and maybe you've wondered, does it really work? Yes, it does. And I'll put a little here, just around the face. little over here. That's it. And I only do what shows for the camera when I'm doing it for filming purposes. And voila, super quick, super easy. I should have done a before picture, shouldn't I have? But I think I took a picture, a thumbnail picture this morning where all my silvers were showing. So yeah, here we go. Let me get a picture really fast. Let me find where the button is. Okay, I think it took it. All right, guys, so that's the video. I said it would be under 5 minutes. It's about 6 minutes long. Alrighty, guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. I will see y'all for my next video, which is going to be, I'm going to be trying one of the 4 lip plumpers that I bought. So I'll be doing that on my next video. And I'm right now in the middle of editing my move-in video where we got the keys and walked in for the first time after getting the house. So alrighty, guys, I will see y'all soon. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye. Mwah.